everyone, Unilever Ice Cream Business Unit. Welcome to the Magnum Icecream Company. Finally, the carve-out is happening. The company is going to be totally independent by November 2025. The Unilevers are very, very happy about it because it completely fits their shrink for growth strategy of focusing on higher margin, higher growth categories, and ice cream in one of those. And of course, it gives leg to the company to be independent and focus on making their own choices, their own investments. For the Magnum company, the degree of freedom is definitely an opportunity because it allows them to focus the investments on what is important, which is a dedicated route to market and investments probably in fridge spaces and in fridges, in particular for the on-premise and the catering industries. But at the same time, it doesn't change the structure of the market and the marginality of the market. In my humble opinion, there is a potential medium-term problem for recruitment, and in particular, you're not going to get the same talent that you used to get at Unilever. And history says that with these carve-outs happen, it's a recurring issues for quite a few Dutch companies as well that have previously dismissed certain units. The strategy for the Magnum company is clear, but the problems are going to emerge. It's also news of these days that Jerry from Ben & Jerry is quitting, claiming a conflict and being censored in terms of his social activism and his social views on geopolitics. And therefore, this is going to be a bit of a hot potato, in particular with the core Ben & Jerry's traditional activist consumers. At the end of the day, the market doesn't change. The strategy, it's more or less clear. The question is, can they execute and execute on time? And can they perfectly execute? Because with those razor thin margins, there is an embedded risk. Let me know what you think about the future and whether you agree with me that they might have, in the medium term, a recruitment problem. Thank you.